Then, take a card off the deck.
The top of the deck?
That'll do.
It's
What's the number?
7 of clubs.
Oh, that's lucky, because 7 is a magical, mystical number. Did you?
Really?
Did you know that?
Really? Show me.
Comes up in mythology all the time. It's meant to have lots of magic powers. Well, I'll
can I
show you.
do?
Okay, look at these 3 aces. Ace of clubs, ace of diamonds, ace of spades.
Right.
Right?
Yes.
Get your magic 7 and tap each card.
All right. A tap to the club, a tap to the spade, and a tap to the diamond.
Tap the diamond again.
Tap, 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 tap.
Right. Now put your 7 back. I'll fold
Yes.
these up. And... yes, you've done the trick. Pick the card up, the pack up, and look at the card right on the bottom.
Right on the bottom.
I think you find that the ace of
It's the
diamonds...
ace of diamonds.
Just
That was in
jump.
the middle.
Oh,
How
it's
did
not
it
there
happen?
anymore. Well, ace of spades,
Yes.
ace of clubs, ace of hearts. They've changed
You
places.
changed the ace of diamonds to the ace of hearts
Yeah.
and made the diamond jump here. How did you do it?
Ah, I'll tell you in a tick.
Curiosity.
How did you make the ace of diamonds jump from your hand to the bottom of the pack?
Well, it wasn't so hard. I'll show you. Watch carefully. Of course, it was never in my hand to begin with. I just had those 3 cards. The ace of hearts was there all along, but it was up that way. Then I put 1 ace like this. Notice how the corner of the ace of clubs is obscuring that tiny heart in the corner and cutting across the big heart in the middle.
I see.
Then the ace of spades, or one of them anyway, went across in that direction. Now, when I call them the ace of clubs, the ace of diamonds, and the ace of spades, why is anyone ever going to doubt me?
Yeah, it looks like a
It
diamond.
does, but of course it's the ace of hearts all along. Very tricky.
I want to know. Curiosity.